check this sum. Change the order of integral into 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity, and e power minus y divided by y dy dx, and hence evaluate it. So for this equation, we can write the limit with this 0 to infinity and 0 to y, 0 to it is y in, and we want to change the strip into dy dx into dx dy. So the limit is changed, that is that x equal to 0 in x axis, y equal to 0, and y axis x equal to 0. So the 4 points we can draw, and x equal to 0 and x equal to infinity line is approximately, we can draw that. Y equal to 0 and y equal to infinity we can draw approximately. So in this equation we got the 4 points in covered area. In this covered area we can draw the y strip. First y strip we want to draw. So from this we got the limit, and the y strip is changed dx dy. So we are changing this strip into x strip. So x strip means we got this equation, and we got the limit as 0 to y, integral 0 to infinity, 0 to y e power minus y dx dy. Now it is changed, and then we can calculate the next integration is with innermost integration is with respect to x. So the integrating here x is a limit, so e power minus y divided by y is a constant, and integrating x is x. So to apply the limit for x is 0 to y, and instead of y we are applying the term. So denominator numerator, the y will cancel, and you'll get only e power minus y. So integrating e power minus y into dy, this alone you'll get, and integrating e power minus y with respect to y is e power minus y divided by minus 1, that constant minus 1, with the limit 0 to infinity. Applying the upper limit, e power minus infinity is 0 and e power 0 is minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1 we got. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Bhagyalakshmi, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the change of order of integration. The change the order of integration in integral 0 to a, integral x to a, f of x comma y dy dx. We are going to check this term. So the term, from this we want to get the values of x limit, y limit. So the limit, first integration is with respect to y, and the second integration is with respect to x. So we can write the values x equal to 0 to x equal to a, and y equal to x to y equal to a. We got the 4 line equations. We can draw the diagram. So the first diagram is in x axis y equal to 0 and y axis x equal to 0, and another value is x equal to a. So drawing the x equal to a line, and then y equal to 0, y equal to x means 0 comma 0, 0 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, it will go like that up to the term a comma a, and y equal to a line. This is y equal to 0, the parallel you draw that y equal to a line, and after this this is the points you want to calculate. Here x equal to 0, so x equal to 0 means you want to the covered area is this triangle. In this triangle, here the given strip is dy dx. So draw parallelly, draw y strip, and the y in this y strip we want to change it as a vertical strip to horizontal strip. So after the horizontal strip we can write the limits. So the limits are changed as x limit and y limit. X equal to 0, dy dx is changes dx dy, and the limits are y equal to x, that is x equal to y in x, y equal to x we can write, and y equal to, so y equal to 0 to y equal to a, and x equal to 0 to x equal to a. As it is changed, and we move on to the next region. That is, here x equal to 0 and x equal to a represent the vertical path, y equal to x to y equal to a represents the vertical strip. Then changing the order of integration is nothing but to change the vertical path into horizontal path. To change the vertical strip to horizontal strip, by changing the order, we integrate the integral 0 to a, 0 to y, and f of the limits are changed as 0 to y and 0 to a, f of x comma y dy dx dy. Here the function value is not given, so we are writing as it is to this term. And thank you.